Brutal. Brutal. Good morning, everyone. Thursday? Thursday, January 8th. Doesn't matter anymore. Yeah, look at this. For a week, under $600. I haven't been that low for quite a while. 3 orders. Yesterday it says $71. But I only have like 39, and some of that's taken up by shipping. Just utterly brutal sales. I'm sure everybody's just recovering from going gangbusters for Christmas. But it's historically, I think January was always a good month, unless I'm just being snowflakey oversensitive here. I don't know, but 44. What do I have? 44,000 listings, $1 million worth, and I have 3 orders going out. That's just insane. So this morning I was up early, 6:30. I did an end and read list of 10,000 items, postcards. So hopefully that'll give me more than 3 sales today. You can see we're sitting at a goose egg. But we got 100 listings done yesterday for auctions. So right now, Sunday, I have 232 auctions going on. Just pretty much did $14.95 or up, all auctions. Some I started at $50, some I started at $24.95. So hopefully people will want to buy those. I'm trying to stretch this out because out of the 3 orders, 2 were airplane cards going to the same person, and the 1 card I took an offer on yesterday. It's going to take about 10 seconds to find. They did. It was like I think I had listed $24, and then took an offer of like 18. Yeah, it's the same. Samey. That's it. So what do you do when sales just utterly shit the bed? I got to keep listing. But I think what I'm going to do today is I might actually go out sourcing. There's a couple antique malls I haven't been to in probably a year to a year and a half. So I may go check those out. I just need to get out. So that is it. Under 4 minutes. Let me do real quick, just a reminder. We got these 3 postcard shows this weekend. So when you get out and support local sellers at the postcard shows, links below to those. If anybody from Postcard History watches this, could you please answer my emails? I'd appreciate that. That's it. Have a good day. Bye.